I'm Melvin Yates with the Flagship Group, and welcome to 1120 I Street Northeast, Washington, D.C. 20002. We are right in the middle of the H Street Corridor District. Beautiful home, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 2,100 square feet of living space, English basement in the front, basement access through the rear, off-street parking, on property, rear deck. This home is basically a blank canvas. You can take it, you can do whatever you like with it, add the 4th level, add the rooftop deck. It's a beautiful home. Take a look. All right, you just finished taking a look at 1120 I Street Northeast, Washington, D.C., 1 block away from the world famous Horse and Dickey's fried fish spot that I used to go to in school a long time ago. It's no longer there, but right in the middle of H Street Corridor. Walk to everything. Don't even need a car. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 2,100 square feet. Potential for an in-law suite in the basement, English basement right in the front, rear parking, off street. What more could you want? It's a beautiful house. I'll see you next time.